What is this? We're just trying to get textiles. Like, what is happening? Hi everyone, it's Monday. It is a new week, new vlog, and I came into the office today. First I saw Alice, and Alice chopped all her hair off. It's already short, but now it's like super short. And then I see Gizelle.
I've got bangs.
She got bangs and her hair is different. And then I see Erin.
I also got bangs.
Also got bangs.
This was not planned.
Yeah, did you guys plan this?
No,
absolutely
just a Monday morning
I don't
surprise.
believe them. This is Alice's new hairdo. This cute little vintagey dress over jeans. It's adorbs.
With this power hair.
Yes. We're boxing in Ahmed so he can't move. You know what's sad is he won't even notice.
Let's throw something at him.
Well, I was just behind you.
What's up, you guys? It is Tuesday and I just had the longest day. It's 10:05. I just walked in the door. I'm just eating dinner. And I just thought I'd sit down with you guys and have a little heart to heart. I've been watching your YHH or hashtag love Haute Hijab videos that you guys have been submitting for the huge giveaway. Those videos brought me to tears. We're planning for the future, like how we're going to grow even further and what are the plans that we're gonna put in place so that we can continue to grow. It's just like so overwhelming that I just like need time to process everything that's happening. Like we're no longer just a husband-wife team operating out of our apartment. I really feel like we're just at the precipice of something huge, and I'm just trying to like wrap my head around everything. I'm trying to purify my intentions and make sure that like I'm doing this for the right reason and all this work I'm putting in is not in vain. Like coming home at 10 o'clock and alone while Ahmed's asleep and I have to sit here and eat like takeout. Not my ideal day, but I know it's totally worth it. And I really don't want to get emotional, but what motivates me is just thinking about every single girl who wakes up in the morning and puts on hijab and feels unhappy about it. Like puts it on begrudgingly or puts it on devoid of any real joy. And all I want is just every girl who wears hijab to get dressed in the morning and feel so much joy and just feel so happy to put it on and feel good about her decision that she's made. And I'm so sorry, I had no intention of getting emotional, but I think it's just like everything happening in the past few weeks is just really getting to me, because I'm realizing, like, number one, what an impact we're actually making, and then number two, like what this all means for me personally and for all of you. And I just want every girl to just feel happy and feel so much joy when she puts on her hijab. I know it's so simple and it's so silly, but for some reason, like, that's so important to me. I don't know why. And I think that I know that God put that in my heart so I could do this work unrelentlessly and tirelessly, because otherwise who would do this? If there's no place else for you in the world, like, you have a place with us, you know? That's what I've been feeling more so than anything else, especially watching you guys' videos. Something that you all say is that you feel like finally there's this like community of women that you feel part of. And you know, I've always really tried really hard to make sure that our brand was one that appealed to anyone, and it was just inclusive, and it wasn't like a we're too cool type of thing, or you know, this age or that race, or no, it's just like come one, come all, you know? I never wanted to be focused on like a certain demographic. I just wanted anyone who was interested in hijab to feel like they had a home here. No matter who you are, whether you're Muslim or not. And I guess this long ramble is just to say that I'm just so, I'm just feeling really blessed and overwhelmed. I did not mean for any of that to happen when I turned on this camera. I just thought I would sit here and talk to you guys as I eat. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. It's Veronica. She's coming out of your head. Oh my god, of course. It's just... Anyway, here we are at friggin' TEXWORLD. Only happens twice a year.
What?
Every designer's dream.
It's huge.
It's more than huge. Let's see. Ah! That's the entrance. And we are so excited.
All the things happen here. This is where magic is made.
I know, because you can just dream up anything and kind of find it here. You know, like I want this sparkly, magical unicorn fabric.
Sparkles.
Oh my gosh, so many sparkles. We can do it. Oh my gosh, here we go. So much. There's just so much, guys. What is going on? Veronica has small creepy hands. Oh my gosh.
This is my new friend. I think this one's name is Stella and this is Marie.
Look at this puffer coat.
This is everything Gizelle wants.
Is this not everything that I should have?
I think we know that that's what we all need in our lives. And ruffles. Yeah. That's incredible.
There are things that I know I should be sourcing, and then there are things that I want to be sourcing. Should be sourcing, want to be sourcing. Nah. Can we just make this the everyday hijab? Yeah. Let's do it. This is the future.
This is the future of hijab.
Forget those tech fabrics. This is everything. Oh my gosh.
Where's the one that was really fun?
Why can't everything be like this? Sparkle tassels? Yes, please. Oh my gosh.
They feel amazing.
I think they would make for amazing hijabs. So that's where it's at, you guys. Just trying to find you great things. Woo! Oh my gosh, you guys. Veronica's walking around. She startles this poor woman with her mini hands. The woman is like, I have to take a picture of this. Like, we're just absolutely like disrupting TEXWORLD. Everyone just like can't get over Veronica's mini hands that just have to come to TEXWORLD for some reason.
Gizelle and Veronica are finally back in the office, and I heard about these shenanigans with these little doll hands that freak me out. Last week when we got that disgusting mac and cheese.
This was the first one.
Yeah, it was terrible. It was terrible.
Round 2, mac and cheese.
Round 2 was even worse. Ugh, gross.
Do not recommend.
This was what happened. It was disgusting. And then we finally got, you still can barely see how beautiful the color actually is. Hold on, hold on. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, so we finally got it. Put it up to your skin, let's see it. That's beautiful. I love that. That's beautiful. That's what we were going for. We got it. We fixed it, guys. We fixed it. Yay! Veronica's still playing with her disgusting hands.
I can type with them.
Oh my god, Veronica, that's so gross. Brittany wore the One Love print from this Tuesday. It's Thursday. She got it Tuesday. And it's on her head today.
Of course.
Noor's in the background. What's up, Noor?
Just being pregnant.
So Ahmed and I have been in back-to-back meetings and phone calls with investors and VCs and angels, and they've been going really well. So make dua for us. Inshallah, we can close this round sooner than later. It's just been crazy around here with all of that happening still. So I actually got to get back to work, and I'm dressed up today. I'm wearing a dress.
No one cares.
I have a Fresh event. So Fresh is opening this new experiential store in New York City. So I'm going to Fresh event tonight. That's why I'm dressed up. I will vlog it, but you won't see it until next week because this needs to go to the editors now.
Didn't you wear this outfit at a previous Fresh event?
No, I wore this outfit when you and I shot.
Oh,
She's
right.
so annoying. All right, you guys. We'll see you next week. Hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. We'll see you later. Say bye, everyone.
Bye bye.